All right, this is to help with assignment 9.2, which is on arithmetic sequences, and to find the missing term. So arithmetic, again, just kind of as a quick review, that means it's a pattern where you're either adding or subtracting. So it looks like by this one, if we start at negative 15 and go up to 1, this one must be an add. So we have to kind of figure out what are we adding, right? We add it once and then twice. So you could certainly sort of like guess and check this. Would be one way to do it. Like I might just guess that these are about 16 apart, so like maybe I'm adding 8, right? And so we could kind of check to see if we do that, does that work? And I think that would give us negative 7 here, and that would fit the pattern. The other way you can do it is called what's the arithmetic mean, which is this middle term is going to be the average of the two outside. So to average two numbers called arithmetic mean, you just add them together and divide by 2. Just like if you average your test scores, you add the 5 scores together, divide by 5, whatever it is. So in this case, we'd have negative 14 divided by 2, negative 7. All right. The second one, number 8 here, same idea, right? So you can either kind of just guess and check, right? It looks like they're actually 16 apart again, so I'm going to guess that it's just a +8 pattern and put a 13 there. But the other route is you can actually add them together, divide by 2, so we have 26 divided by 2, and that gets us the middle term also. And again, that's called the arithmetic mean. All right, hope that helps.